Ētahi wā, kiko nā te kai tito noho mai ai me tana pene me tana pepa. Auware atu te puta mai o ētahi kupu. Ētahi anō wā, rere mai ana tēnei mea te whakaaro.
Tātiri is amazing. Quick and really sharp, and he's sort of like a bank of knowledge, of Māori knowledge. Like those old 6 CD changes, you can just, oh yeah, that's from this part, this is from this element. And so what we did is we put together a whole bunch of songs. This particular one, Whiti Ana Te Rā, a whole bunch of letters from kuia and kaumātua.
Thinking about Anzac Day and with the passing of Sir Bon Gillies, the last of the 28 Māori Battalion, the 28 Māori Battalion is now memory. They are now a memory, and this letter is almost a letter from them to us.